returned. There was a boy, a very strange enchanted boy. They say he traveled very far over land and sea. A little shy and so sad about, but very wise was he. But there was one magic day he passed away. Oh, we spoke of many things, fools and kings. This he said to me, the greatest thing you'll ever learn is to love and be loved in return. There was a boy, a very strange, enchanted boy. They say he traveled very far over land and sea. They were shy and so sad about, but very wise was he. Oh, we spoke of many things, fools and kings. This he said to me, the greatest thing you'll ever learn is to love and be loved in return. And the wonderful Mr. Jimmy Siegler on keyboard. There was a boy. Like to read. Thank you so much. Fantastic, the magnificent Torrie McCartney.
Welcome back, Torrie.
Now, folks, now, Pam would like to make a presentation. Wasn't that wonderful? Fantastic. Welcome home, Torrie. Welcome home.
Back, Torrie.
One and only Torrie McCartney. It's so great to have her back with us. It's been a while, but we really have waited and prayed, and we're just so pleased to have you back in the house doing the great things that you've done. This is really a special, special night for us here at Jazz 966 because, as you well know, we started about 10 years ago, and we weren't able to start without Torrie. Torrie is our artistic director. She remains our artistic director forever and ever and ever. You know, you can't say Jazz 966 without saying Torrie McCartney, really. It's the truth. We would not be here. When we approached Torrie about 10 years ago about the idea that we wanted to bring jazz into this community and here at this center, she leaped at that opportunity, and the rest is sort of history because she's brought all the talent that you've seen here over the years has come through and by and is about Torrie McCartney. And we love her dearly. We were saddened in many ways when we found out that she was ill, but the Creator knows best, and the Creator has blessed her and has brought us back here with us. And we love her, and we thank all praises to our Creator for continuing to bless this sister with health and strength. And with our prayers, I'm sure she will continue to strengthen and do all the great things and continue to do all the great things that she's done. You know, she gave birth to Jazz 966, and she also gave birth, along with our good sister Alma Carroll here, to the Jazz Consortium. And she's integral. And oh, how can I forget? And to Jazzy Jazz. See, listen, so this is just the prelude. We're going to do something very special for her during that week that the consortium has, or that 10 days. It's growing. Each year it grows a little it gets a little longer. So in about a month, we're going to have something special here. But we certainly say welcome back, and we offer you these flowers of remembrance.